You guys are not ready for this one. Today, I'm teaching a humanoid robot how to cook. Yeah, seriously. A robot that can walk your dog, fold laundry, and solve calculus, but can't even crack an egg without destroying my kitchen. Before we start, smash that like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, because by the end of this video, if our metal friend survives the heat, he'll try to cook perfect spaghetti and meatballs from scratch. No help, no shortcuts, and no taste buds. Let's roll. So, meet Neo. Shiny, confident, and absolutely clueless. Let's start simple, I tell him. Crack this egg. He grabs it like a pro, stares, then splat. Eggshells everywhere. Technically cracked, he says. I sigh. Sure, technically. Next, flip this pancake. He counts down, flips, straight to the ceiling. We'll learn that later. Then, chop an onion. He freezes. I'm not allowed to hold knives. Also, I can't taste or smell. Great start. Fine, open this pickle jar. He strains, twisting hard. Applying torque, he grunts. I whisper to camera. I glued it shut. He'll never open that. He pauses. I heard that. Yeah, we're in trouble. This isn't going to be easy, I tell him. But if I could teach Mr. Beast, the worst cook I've ever met, maybe I can teach you too. That helps, he says. Confidence level rising. I explain the challenge. Earn 3 badges, technique, flavor, and creativity. Then face the final boss. Spaghetti and meatballs. From scratch in under an hour. We start with technique. I hand him 2 steaks and a container of salt from my brand, Osmo. Sprinkle, don't dump. He shakes once. Instant snowstorm. Too much, I yell. He rubs it off, embarrassed. Better. Next, ladle tomato soup. Smooth, controlled pour. He nails the 3rd try. Best you've looked all day, I say. Then whipping cream. All in the wrist. He whips so fast his shoulder motors whine. I'm overheating, he says. Welcome to the kitchen, I laugh. Perfect peaks. Then grating cheese, clean. Rolling pizza dough, not so much. He presses too hard, rips it, but learns to pinch, flour, and stretch. Pretend you're an Italian chef, I say. Processing imagination, he replies. Almost round. Close enough, pan flip time. I show him forward, back, push, pull. He flips, drops, flips again. Finally sticks it. Chef motion achieved, he says proudly. Okay, I tell him. Butter basting. He tilts, scoops, pours. Awkward angle, he complains, but gets it right. Then flambe, a spark, a burst of flame. Heat sensors warming, he says. That's normal, I grin. To earn the badge, he must beat 3 kitchen robots. First up, toaster bot. Neo cooks toast in a pan, flips it golden brown. The toaster burns one side. You win, I tell him. Second, stirring bot. Both sauté oignon. The robot jams while Neo keeps perfect rhythm. 2 for 2. Final round, a delivery robot named Coco, carrying drinks through a cone course. No spilling, I warn. Neo shakes but races steady. Coco's faster but spills halfway. Neo crosses clean. Technique badge earned. He cheers. My mom's gonna be so proud. Next, flavor badge. Tough, since he can't taste. There are 5 tastes, I say. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, umami. Sweet. Sugar in lemonade. He calculates 4.75 scoops using math. I taste. Perfect. Sour, gummy bears with lemon juice and citric acid. He coats evenly. Tangy but balanced. Salty. Fries with perfect shake pattern. I'm learning to cook from the heart, he says. You don't have one, I joke. Then from my CPU. Bitter, black coffee, adds cream. Too much. Still good, I admit. Umami, ramen without miso or soy. He adds both, stirs smooth. That's incredible, I say. Flavor challenge, build a burger with all 5 tastes. Patty, umami, caramelized onions, sweet, bacon, salty, arugula, bitter, pickles with mayo, sour. It looks perfect. Flavor badge earned, I declare. All the girl robots will love me now, he jokes. Now for creativity badge. Robots aren't known for creativity, I tease. We'll see, he replies. I show him how to turn gas station snacks into art, sauce swoosh, Oreo dust, popcorn, raspberries, rule of odd numbers. This plate is your canvas, I tell him. He must now make 3 dishes: appetizer, entree, dessert. Caprese first, basil, yellow tomato, mozzarella, red tomato. His balance is off but improves. Balsamic glaze clogs. I help him guide it evenly. Not bad, I say. Entree, filet mignon with mashed potatoes and asparagus. He drops the steak too hard, but it lands perfectly imperfect. Leave it, I say. Art by accident. Dessert, chocolate cake with back-and-forth frosting swoosh, crispy bits, 3 raspberries. Looks clean, I nod. Then our guest judge, Uncle Roger. He examines the plates. Caprese, nice color, pass. Steak, generic. AI style, fail. Cake, good swirl, nice raspberry balance, pass. 2 out of 3 means one thing: creativity badge earned. Neo pumps his fist. 3 badges complete. Time for the final test. Spaghetti and meatballs from scratch in 60 minutes. I hand him his first real chef's coat. You've earned this. Feels good, he says. Timer starts. Flour, eggs, salt into the food processor. A machine operating a machine, he jokes. He kneads by hand, perfectly rhythmic. 43 minutes left, I call. Dough rests. He starts the sauce: oil, onion, garlic, salt, tomato paste toasted, crushed tomatoes, beef broth, oregano. Smells amazing, I say. Then meatballs, egg, breadcrumbs, parmesan, onion, parsley, salt, oregano. Mix evenly, roll tight spheres, sear golden. 27 minutes. He drops them into the sauce, from too high. Splash zone. 5-second rule, he says. I laugh. Pasta time. He unwraps dough, fights the plastic, cuts, flours, rolls, runs through the roller again and again. Thinner each time. Switches to spaghetti attachment. Golden strands cascade out. Dust them with flour, I say. 16 minutes left. He salts water like the ocean, drops noodles, stirs gently. 2 minutes 47 seconds, I shout. I help drain. Wet hands aren't great for robots. Now plating, he twirls pasta, adds sauce, 3 meatballs, grates cheese, sprinkles basil. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He raises his hands. Done. This, he says, is homemade spaghetti and meatballs, cooked by a robot who can't taste. He straightens his chef's coat. Rate me 1 to 10 in the comments. Did I earn Master Chef? Be honest, I tell the viewers, but be nice. He worked hard. He smiles. And I look great in this coat. The kitchen smells like victory and a bit of chaos. From egg explosions to perfect plating, Neo learned rhythm, patience, balance, maybe even a spark of creativity. I look at him, proud. If you enjoyed watching a robot learn to cook, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us what dish he should try next. Risotto, souffle, croissants? Neo waves. I don't just walk dogs anymore, he says. I manage carbs. I burst out laughing. See you in the next one.